In this video, we're taking the Vienna Airport train from Vienna Station to the airport. Works vice versa, so this could help you either way.
So many taxis, but none of them have like taxi stickers on it. It's just like a taxi thing on top, so you can't really tell.
Buying your tickets.
So, got my tickets. Now, gotta find the track. It's track 12.
You can buy your tickets at the station, or you can buy them with the app. If you buy them with the app, if someone comes by, you just have to show them your phone and the receipt on it. Just so you know, when you get on the train, there's no assigned seating. Just sit anywhere that's available. When you get on the train, make sure you're on the right part. When you're leaving from Vienna Station, you have to leave from the right train car.
And I want the Flughafen.
From Vienna Station, it departs on track 9CDE, and any of the other train cars, let's say 9A on that track, are not going to the airport and probably not moving at all. I made that mistake.
So the airport train is only 9CDE. The rest of the train goes somewhere else, so you have to make sure you board at C, D, or E. At least it is for this one. It's the Railjet Express to the airport. Oh, I was on the wrong side of the train and they announced, get out.
And in my experience when I was traveling through Austria, no one really checked the tickets. It's more of a honor system thing, but if they caught you without a ticket, they will fine you a certain amount. I know in Germany the fee was €60. I'm not sure what that price is in Austria.
This is the one you want, the Flughafen. Ugh.
Cost. The ride from Vienna Airport to the city only takes 15 minutes, and the train ride only costs €4.2. They also have electrical outlets and Wi-Fi. Found the Wi-Fi to be pretty fast. The ride was super smooth, clean, and got me right to the airport. At Terminal 3, and it does stop at several of the other terminals.